Hey people, so I'm back to doing these random reviews that are they I don't know, yeah, it makes me very happy to do these product reviews. So here we have Nivea Pearl and Beauty deodorant, which says beautiful underarms, and I have no idea why I'm doing this review, but no, yeah, like I'll just say I'm a fan of Nivea products, but this particular product in particular is not. I mean, I don't know, maybe at some level one wants perfumes to be sniffed from a kilometer distance, but this doesn't do that. But generally, Nivea has very. Actually, I have another brand of it. This is Pearl and Beauty, and I have another similar sounding thing back with me elsewhere, and actually I was quite impressed with that. So really, people, you all can take a look at this. In fact, I have another one here itself. Let me see. Yes, yes. So Nivea Protect and Care is rather nice, and this is a deodorant. While this thing here is also a deodorant, but this is for underarms, and this is for it can be used as a perfume, and this thing has a real nice scent to go with it. Whatever, however it's worked on. Yes, so I would strongly suggest Nivea Protect and Care, because this is a good, far better than the white color dabba. This is the thing that has a fragrance that will spread across the universe. So try and get it, people, because no, yeah, these things are very important sometimes. So yeah, Nivea Protect and Care, non-irritating, unlike this video. So really, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.